We love Indian Village. Okay. So this is what Indian Village looks like. Looks like you got a bunch of pretty nice homes. So I guess this is what Indian Village is all about, because there's a lot of people that are looking to move into Detroit. They're looking for recommendations of where to find places, and it looks like Indian Village is a place that has some pretty big homes. Indian Village. Okay, so we're in an area called Indian Village, and we're gonna just kind of stroll to the left, which goes to the heart of it. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you what I can find of Indian Village just by driving around a little bit. And this is a neighborhood that people are interested in as well. So there's a nice church right there. Okay, let's check out Indian Village and see what it's all about. Okay, so here we are in Indian Village, and it looks like there's not a lot going on, but there's a little bit going on. And I think the heart of it is coming up, so we're gonna just kind of see whatever we can see and film it a little bit, and maybe drive around a little bit, see if we can see what it's all about. Looks like the heart of it is, can I put it on a map? It basically says this area right there, Indian Village, National Historic District. So we're actually in it now, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to the next stoplight up there, and then I'm going to go into the neighborhoods a little bit and try to drive around, and we can see what Indian Village looks like exactly. You can see some of the big, taller, big, beautiful brick buildings and such. And you got all these green signs, so left and right, Indian Village, National Historic District. So that's actually kind of cool as well. Oh, and actually we just crossed, the street I was looking for was the one I just crossed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a random one and go into these neighborhoods. Bike path right there, that's kind of cool. We love Indian Village. Okay. So this is what Indian Village looks like. Looks like you got a bunch of pretty nice homes. So I guess this is what Indian Village is all about, because there's a lot of people that are looking to move into Detroit. They're looking for recommendations of where to find places, and it looks like Indian Village is a place that has some pretty big homes. Massive homes, to be honest. These are huge. Missionary Baptist Church right there. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, let me see, go down Verner East Street, and I want to go down that main street as well, which is actually kind of interesting. A lot of these names are named after Indian names. So the one I'm gonna stop at, turn right now, is called Iroquois. So yeah, I guess I can basically tell you that Indian Village is kind of looks like it's definitely a neighborhood with nice homes, historic homes. So I guess that's the main attraction to Indian Village, is these big, massive homes in Detroit. I like all the trees too, some really nice trees. Okay, let's look back this way. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of continue through this main street here of Iroquois, just because I think that this is kind of what you want to see, is these bigger homes like this. Indian Village. So okay, now I can definitely understand this now. So basically this is what people come here and buy. These big massive homes, Indian Village. And we're in Detroit. There's another We Love Indian Village sign, so there's a lot of pride in this community as well. And it does look kind of cool, to be honest. homes. You know what you would do with a home that big. So yeah, I guess this is also a historic district, and I think what I'm gonna do myself right now, I can do that home. And basically all I'm really doing is just kind of giving you a taste. I'm not gonna go through all of it, but at least, you know, somebody that doesn't really know what Indian Village is all about, at least they can take a look and get an idea. These homes are just massive. Sheesh. Historic district. Okay. I guess that's not a bad idea to do it by neighborhood. And now we're coming up to got a bunch of apartments over there, and we are gonna try to go to the left, and then you can kind of see Indian Village Marketplace right there. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to go down Burn Street. Looks like we're stuck here, but anyways, that's Indian Village, and this is Jefferson. And I am going to go down Burns, but yeah, kind of interesting. Got a McDonald's down there and everything. Jefferson, big apartment. So I think you got a good enough idea of Indian Village, and you kind of know a little bit of what it looks like. Kind of want to go through one more street for you. So I think I might just wait it out for this light to turn green. Let's see if it does. Jeez. There we go. Indian Village. Another sign right there. Indian Village. So yeah, actually I'll just go a little bit further. I guess it gives you a little bit more of an idea of what it looks like. Oh man, there's so many beautiful houses. Look at that. Kind of getting to know Detroit a little bit better myself. Oh, speed bumps. These homes. Sheesh. So big. Yeah, I guess the other thing too is the prices are pretty low, at least traditionally. They might be going up now though, because this is kind of a recommended place to look for nice homes in Detroit for a good price. Okay, so anyways, this is Indian Village. I think my job is done for showing you just how beautiful and nice the houses are. So let's end it right there. Lots of "We Love Indian Village" signs everywhere. Oh. There we go.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.